I'm at Progressive CNC in Peterborough. They're model and mould makers for various industries. Just over a year ago, they bought a Sahos 5-axis machining centre. It's got a huge capacity, 6 metres by 3 metres. It's got a 24,000 RPM spindle, and they really are getting the best out of this machine.
MTD CNC, bringing you the latest engineering news, reviews, events and special offers via video media.
Jamie, you got a Sahos machine here. When did you buy this?
18 months ago.
And it looks like it's well used.
Oh yeah, every day.
Yeah, and the type of work that you're doing on it, we're going to have a look around the workshop in a minute and see what you're doing. But do you use it to its full capacity?
Oh yeah, definitely. Yeah.
And the sorts of sizes of parts that you actually machine on here?
That they range from, its full capacity, 6 metres, to, quite small jobs. But then we put multiple jobs on, so we can get, a better turnaround, make more money on the machine. So
do you use the dual zones? Because I know there's a dual zone feature in here.
We don't use the dual zones, but, it's never say we never will,
And in speaking to your colleague, I'm interested in the Y-axis. It gives you, and the rigidity of the machine. The fact that it's a bridge-type construction means you've got plenty of rigidity, but you've also got a huge Y-axis. Does that enable you to make, let's say, for example, machine a car? You don't have to do it in lots of different bits. You can do it at one.
Yeah, no, that's the benefit with the machine. We can actually machine a full car. We don't have to break many jobs up. We can stick them on in one. So for customers, they're really, keen for us to do that because it's the strength, it's more stable, less error. So it's great to have that big Y.
Yeah, I mean, and it's an accurate machine. Do you also do roughing as well as finishing on here?
Yeah, we do everything on it. There's not anything I don't think it can't, can do. It's great.
Because we looked at a previous installation where they tended to do the roughing somewhere else and then the finishing on here. But what are the types of materials that you are machining or roughing and finishing?
We use soft materials. We use Urial, which is a polyurethane model board, and we use an epoxy board. We also cut MDF. We've cut cedar wood on it. So we've cut lots of different, and it's not struggled at all.
24/7.
Yeah. We'd like more hours in the day if we could.
And on that point then, Progressive CNC, you just moved into this facility as well. So you're expanding. You're the managing director of the company. How long have you been going?
We're coming up nearly 8 years now, so it's expanded nicely.
And how was the company came about? Why did you find it? You're a young guy. Obviously, you wanted to run your own show.
Yeah, the last place we worked, unfortunately, decided to close down. And it had many different departments in it. We was on the machining department, and our boss said, look, if you guys want to set up, I'll give you a trial run. So we had 4-month trial in our old place. He didn't charge us a penny. He said, don't take your redundancy money and, try it here, see if there's a lot of work out there, and that's what we did.
And you're not into metal cutting, or you're starting to look at that?
We are now, yeah. In this last month, we've started cutting metal. It's always something we've wanted to do, but with the soft materials, is such a massive demand for it. We kind of haven't expanded into that, but we are now.
Well, you're in a niche business. I mean, most of the places we go are predominantly metal cutting. So, what market sectors are you machining for?
We're in quite a lot of markets. We're automotive, marine, leisure. We've done a little bit of the MOD. So yeah, we're touching on, the main sectors. So
very broad. Well, I wish you success for the next 8 years. I hope it's as good as the first 8 years have been. Thanks, Jamie.
No, thank you.
For more videos, products and news, go to mtdcnc.com or follow MTD Online on Twitter.